Hello everyone and welcome to another case study video. Now these case studies, as you know, I'm trying to do as much as I can while on the job so that we can get an idea of time and price, right? So this is the euro dollar. Now with the euro dollar, as you know, today was a swing day, right? So if you take a look at the daily, we've got a PST breakout here, and I said if this thing breaks to the upside, you can trade it to the upside, and this is exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, if you watch the video, I said it could go down from here. So in the video I also made an adjustment. Remember, I did this in the video. I said this could be a sell as well, and in the video I also said, the video for today, the 19th of May, I said also we've got a breakout situation happening. Knowing that we might break out in advance is obviously a big advantage. Why? For two good reasons. One, if we do break out, we know until what time we're going to. This is a 5-minute chart. Okay. And if I know how far I'm going, let me bring this into here so you can see, right? That's a 5-minute chart here. If we know that the breakout is happening and if it's going to break to the upside, it's important for me to know until what time that's going to happen. And on the members area, in the members area, I said 11:30, and in fact we've got 1:55 ahead of us as well. All right, so that's 11:30 here. Okay, 11:30 there, and then we've got 13:55, which is also important. Now, if if this is happening, then the beauty of it is, if I'm wrong, I'm, with a really tight stop loss. But if I'm right, as you can see, my risk return is really good. Okay, so if I head on to there, I've got two positions as usual. Okay, because I'm a bit in the middle of nowhere, it's a breakout. Okay, not really a support level. And on the daily as well, if you think about it, we're in between levels. Okay, but breaking out this way and these being swing days, okay, I'm happy to take on, and I'm happy to take on with timing, and knowing, like I said, there's a breakout is to our advantage. That way the stop loss is really tight. If I make this a little bigger, okay, on a 5-minute chart, the stop loss is really tight, and this first position is like really 1 to 100. Yeah, so I've got 1 to 3 here. Okay, just on this. All right, so understanding that this is an energy level, understanding this is pushing up, allows me to put a tight stop loss just under the high, okay, in case it comes back. But if this breakout eventuates, remember we did a trade last week exactly like this one from 10:15 to 11:30, all right, and this is from 9:15 now heading into 11:30. All right, so going all the way into 11:30 should be the way to go. But if it isn't, you can see it's a tight stop loss, and it's a 1 to 3 on there. All right, so it's just a short case study how you can do timing and breaking out as well. If you also have a PST indicator, you could do so on the PST as well as the market is breaking out, okay, because you got the small time PST here as well. If I do this, if I go into the 15-minute chart, you can use it on any time frame. Okay, you see the breakout here. As the market breaks out, as you can see, you can push up there. Okay, so I hope that helps, and we'll see how things pan out. Now this is the high of Friday. That's the high, just short of the high of last week. Okay, so if we want to go back up into that zone, that's where we want to be. All right, but in any case, if the PST is breaking out, we should have a bit of room to go, and I'll manage that trade obviously with time as well. We're not restricted just with pricing, we're also going to manage the trade according to time. So if at 11:30 we get somewhere close, but I don't quite touch it, I'm not going to be staring at it, because I'll know that 11:30 is an hour I need to be careful about, and then I can kind of like close the trade, and we're still going to be more than 1 to 2 if we get close to there. Or worst case scenario, even if I'm closing at profit, if it's the right time, why take a chance? Take your profit, take a step back, and see how things are panning out for the next trading hours. All right, so it's a short video, euro dollar example, 19th of May. Hope it's helpful.